Natulong siya. In cabo drive. Ganda ng pasok at Litissima. Very good. 1 minute, 10 seconds, ha?
Sakaris, bigyan mo lang. Sakaris.
Okay, 77-75. 1 minute, 17 seconds. A very nice ball game. 10 to shoot.
Magandang half-play, ha?
Hakim. Logo. Rebound. Yellow ball. Last pass by Dorado.
Depensa tayo, depensa.
1 minute, 4 seconds, ha? 1 minute, 4 seconds.
Saras. Bumabi.
Optimisima. Up to Zuma. To Gajana. In the left. In Gabo. Take the two. Logo. Rebound by number 5 to Lababi. 3-1. Lababi. Give it to Dorado. Take the two. Logo to the foul. Good foul by number 45 seconds.
45 seconds, ha?
Number 44. Running for generation. You have 4 fouls. Two more for Sigi for penalty. Dorado on the line, as he was fouled in the last shooting. The score is 77-75, and the remaining time is 45 seconds. Dorado push free throw. No good. Jumpers get ready. Jumpers. That will be the final free throw of Arnold Dorado. No good. Rebound by number 6. Optimisima, attacks the paint, give it to the middle to Dorado by Bautista number 5. 38 seconds. Bautista graduate with an honors. 38 seconds. Okay, replacement. Villanueva. Garuda will take the paint. 38 seconds. Garibay for the crucial free throw. No good.
Hawak ang bola, ha? Kaya time out, ha? Reserve time out.
77-75. That is a crucial free throw. The fate of the game is in the hands of Garibay.
Depensa tayo.
Second free throw. Still no good. That was a foul by Incabo.
Time out.
Satina. 1 more for the game. Running for penalty. 38 seconds. Running for penalty, yellow. 38 seconds left for the final quarter. The second game. Green team, please prepare your teams. Blue team, please prepare your uniforms. After this will be your last game. We will have to avoid the fire time. We must finish the fire earlier before the fire time.
Wala nang kakapuin. Baba agad
The score is 77-75. Okay, back to the ball game. So the final ball game. Time remaining 38 seconds left. That was that was a two-two waste by Garibay because the score is 77-75 and we have only 38 seconds left. That was the deciding vote of the goal game. Inbounding is Hakim. Give it to Labapi. Labapi back to Hakim. Hakim harassed by Felicima. Setting the play. Giving the ball. Picked by Villanueva. To Paminal, number 26. Looking by Isidro. Harassed by number 6. To Hakim. Hakim to Paminal. Almost was it. Time to shoot. Dorado. Inside. Jessica. Foul. According to him, number 3 in Cabo. Foul. 20 seconds. Penalty. Shoot. Wala na, 20 seconds left, ha? 2-0. Asherin, Dagiga. Second penalty. Score 77-75. The remaining time is 20 seconds left. 20 seconds left, according to the official timer, Mr. Jun Transa. Dorado now for the free throw. Oh, first free throw, not good. 2-0. 20.
Walang papaw.
Shoot. Escopete, harass, foul! Foul, number 20.
May time out pa kami.
Tanak! Yellow!
timeout pa kami sa, di ba?
Time out yellow.
Pre, may timeout pa kami sa. Hindi, meron pa isa.
13 seconds left. 1-3. Talagpaser. 1-3 seconds. 13 seconds.
Penalty tayo.
Penalty yellow. Penalty.
Oras!
13 segundos. 13. Score 77-75. Black is leading by 2 points. Black, kaintempot lang yun ng ano yan. Black, kaintempot lang yun. Baka nakita ng security. Palabasin tayo rito. Pakitampot nyo lang yun ng mga empty bottles nyo. 13 seconds. Okay. Let's set up by the coach. Oh, sige. Gusto kami guluhin dito. Steady lang kayo dyan. Inside, take double. Take double. Yes! Take double. Nagtama lang ko. Oras. 9 seconds left. 9 seconds left. 9 seconds. 9 seconds. 9 seconds left. Siyam na segundo. 9 seconds. Penalty na kayo. Penalty.
Sino maglalabas sa bola sa inyo? Sino maglalabas? Sino bola? Hanapin mo kagad to, ha? Oo! Jun, pasok!
Okay, score 77-79.
Penalty na kayo! Penalty!
9 seconds left, 9 seconds.
Salaksak ha, salaksak!
Okay.
Labas!
9.
Wala nang oras!
End of the ball game. 0-0. Overtime, 5 minutes.